Hi everyone, it's Jeff here from Avada. In this video I will take a look at how to use the Avada Date Field Element. Don't forget to subscribe to our YouTube channel and click the bell icon to be notified of all new content. Okay, let's begin. The Avada Date Field Element is a simple enough form element, but there are some interesting options. Let's take a look. I have a form here and I have added a section for the user to make an appointment. In the first column I have added the date field element, and in the second I have added the time field element. We'll look at that in another video, so let's just focus on the date field element. Like most form elements, it starts off with the field label and field name. I'm just going to call this one date. For the required field option, I will leave this on no, as this is part of a contact form and users might not require an appointment. Placeholder text is next, and if you enter anything here, it shows up in the field like this. Tooltip text is next, and if I just add something, a question mark appears, and if we mouse over it we can see the tooltip. The next option is custom picker. This is a lightweight custom date picker, and here you determine where it's used. By default it's on always, but you can set it to desktop only, or to never to use the browser native date picker. I'll just leave this on always. Next comes minimum and maximum date. Note how these options can take dynamic data options. For my example, I will set the minimum date with dynamic data and I will choose the date option. For the maximum date, I will set this to be the last day of the current year. The next option is disable days, and here I will disable Saturday and Sunday. Now the date format is next, and this controls how the selected date displays. For me, in Australia, my date format would be D/M/Y. There's a link in the description for all available formatting tokens. Next is the input field icon, and here I will search for calendar and choose this one. Autocomplete tokens are next, and I will leave this off for this situation. Tab index comes next. In general, you won't need this in a form as the elements will just get focus in DOM order, but you can use this to add a positive tab value to create a custom order or a negative value to remove an element from the tabbing sequence. Okay, after this comes the ubiquitous CSS class and CSS ID fields for adding a class or ID to the element for further customization with CSS. Okay, that's it. There is of course the conditionals tab where you can add conditional logic to the element, but let's keep this simple. Let's save our form and head to the page where it's displayed and refresh. Here's our form, and as you can see I can easily select a date, just don't click on the icon. And when I do, it displays in my selected format. Okay, that's the date field element. Check out the related time field element video linked below. Okay, that's it for this video. Make sure you subscribe to our YouTube channel to keep up with all the latest videos. And if you have any questions or need assistance, please create a support ticket and our team will gladly assist you. As always, we want to thank you for choosing Avada.